Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create isometric circle. Let's get started. So to start creating isometric circle, you will need to turn on IsoDraft, which is located under here. And then once you turn it on, notice that the cursor change and the view change as well. Next thing you do is go to ellipse, and then there's a drop down arrow, and you will need to choose axis end. Once you choose axis end, there will be a prompt here. You will need to click ISO circle, and then once you create an ISO circle or click the ISO circle, you can now then click on the space, and you could either select radius or diameter. So radius is the default, so I'm gonna add 600. So the radius now is on ISO plane right. So once if you want it to be ISO plane left, then the process that you need to do is you will need to click the axis end again, and then click on ISO circle. But before you click on the space, you will need to change the plane. So now I'm gonna choose ISO plane left, and then click on the space. And then once you do, you can put in the radius now, 600 again, and there we have it. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.